everybody, it's Craig from the Flying Beardsman today, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the DW Hobby EPP Cessna. I did pre-open the box already just to make sure everything was okay, but I'll show you exactly how everything was laid out in there. Got the instructions, got nice color photos, and shows you and tells you exactly how to mount everything, build everything. Good instructions, looks like. And you pull out all the foam pieces. Got your wing halves, rudder, elevator, body panels. Neatly packaged in there. Already got carbon fiber reinforcements installed. Got the front steerable nose gear and rear stationary landing gear. And we got a couple of pieces of balsa to connect two halves of the plywood frame that you'll have to build. It comes with an ESC with an XT60 and a Dean's plug, depending on what you prefer for your batteries. Brushless motor. And we got 4 9-gram plastic gear servos. Should be just fine for this rig. Got battery straps, some carbon fiber strips, rubber bands, hardware to mount the servo arms and stuff. Got some metal wire for the servos, hook up to the control horns. Comes with a 9x6 prop. Looks kind of like a gem fan prop. And then, finally, get two plywood frame parts that are laser cut. And that's everything that is inside the package when you order it.